चंद्रपुर का एकमात्र अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार प्राप्त पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज सौम्या पॉलिटेक्निक, कमिटेड टू क्वालिटी एजुकेशन। कई वर्षों से 100% रिजल्ट की परंपरा जारी। एक्सीलेंट पॉलिटेक्निक इन चंद्रपुर बाय MSBTE, SC, ST, NT, VJS, BC और DT के लिए शासकीय शिष्यवृत्ति अंतर्गत प्रवेश मुफ्त। उसी तरह OBC, ओपन, माइनॉरिटी और EBC के लिए शासकीय शिष्यवृत्ति अंतर्गत 50% छूट। विद्यार्थियों के लिए भव्य लेबोरेटरी, लाइब्रेरी, कंप्यूटर लैब, जिम, कैंटीन, AC हॉस्टल, स्विमिंग पूल, खुला मैदान, बस सर्विस और भरपूर स्पोर्ट्स तथा कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज।
So take admission today in 3 years engineering diploma course, Department of Civil Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Department of Electrical Engineering, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Department of Mining and Mine Surveying Engineering।
इसके अलावा BSNL, महावितरण, टाटा और अन्य प्रतिष्ठित संस्थानों में प्लेसमेंट। सौम्या ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट्स, अ वेंचर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल, आकाशवाणी रोड, वडगांव, चंद्रपुर।
दुनिया के नंबर 1 शतरंज खिलाड़ी मैग्नस कार्लसन को भारत के युवा ग्रैंडमास्टर डी गुकेश ने नॉर्वे चेस 2025 के छठे राउंड में हरा दिया। युवा ग्रैंडमास्टर डी गुकेश से हारने के बाद मैग्नस कार्लसन पूरी तरह हैरान रह गए थे। उन्हें खुद पर यकीन ही नहीं हुआ। यही कारण था कि हार मिलते ही कार्लसन ने टेबल पर घूसा मारकर अपनी नाराजगी जताई। सोशल मीडिया पर यह वीडियो खूब वायरल हो रहा है। कार्लसन ने बोर्ड पर अपनी मुट्ठी पटकी और हताश होकर कहा, हे भगवान। इस हार के बाद क्लासिकल शतरंज खेलने के बारे में बात करते हुए कार्लसन ने कहा, मुझे नहीं लगता कि गुकेश के खिलाफ खेलना मजेदार था। मुझे इस पर विचार करना होगा कि इससे कैसे बचा जाए। शायद मुझे क्लासिकल शतरंज खेलना पूरी तरह से बंद कर देना चाहिए। वहीं भारत के डी गुकेश अपनी इस जीत से रोमांचित और इमोशनल हो गए। उनकी इस जीत के लिए पूरे देशवासियों की तरफ से उन्हें बधाइयां मिल रही हैं।
ये मैच गुकेश के बिल्कुल मुट्ठी में आ चुका है। घोड़ा पीछे आते हुए पॉन गिरा, गुकेश ने माफ़ी मांगी एक प्रकार से, और नाइट B2 पर किंग पॉन पोश, और यहाँ पर नाइट से चेक, और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर किंग E2। ओ ये तरीका, मैग्नस कार्लसन ने यहाँ पर माफ़ी मांगी, जो उन्होंने ज़ोर से मुक्का मारा टेबल के ऊपर, क्योंकि शायद ये उनको सहन नहीं हुआ कि कैसे पूरी जीती बाजी उनके हाथ से निकल।
Luckily he got into time scramble. Yeah, one thing that I learned from this tournament is time scrambles can get too much out of control.
Was this a trick that you saw some moves ahead, or was it just something that happened where you were just trying to make things a little difficult?
I mean, yeah, this endgame I was basically trying to get some kind of knight G5, and luckily after king F6, H4, I got this knight G5, and although his king comes to, king walk probably is winning, I have some spike checks. Yeah, I mean, okay, 100 times, 99 out of 100 times I would lose.
But you didn't.
Yeah, just lucky.
How important is it for you personally to take this win today?
Yeah, for the tournament, I guess it's quite important. I'm at to 50% in the classical, and also first classical win against Magnus. I mean, not the way I wanted it to be, but I'll take it.
Right now, all we see is 1-0 Gukesh.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, honestly, this was so unexpected that I didn't have much time to enjoy it, because the moment it suddenly became winning, he nailed it very quickly. So quite a difficult game to evaluate, because today Guki has shown both his biggest weaknesses and his biggest strengths. Right. So quite a lot of happened. I mean, obviously Magnus was very angry after the game. I understand that. Mm-hmm. But okay, I mean, he's such a shark that in any position he can beat anybody. So.
Right, we saw him bang the table, and then after he cooled down, and then he congratulated Guki on the win. I think that is what Magnus Carlsen means, and what this means to Gukesh and the team.
Obviously, that means a lot, because okay, if you have such a strong and unpleasant opponent, it's just about winning the first game, because once you win the first game, you know you can beat him, right?
Right. And tell us about your thoughts coming into the game. What is the one mental advice you gave him coming to this game?
Okay, we just try to enjoy the experience as much as possible, because playing against Magnus is always an invaluable lesson, and you want to enjoy this lesson as much as possible, but at the same time you want to play chess, you want to focus on the moves, you don't want to feel this burden, okay, I'm playing Magnus, what am I going to do, right? You just want to show your best and try hard and learn the lesson.
Absolutely.
St. Paul CBSE and Senior Secondary School. Student strength around 3,000. School campus area 3 acre. Located in the heart of the city. Admissions open for nursery to standard 12th science CBSE. 100% result for both 10th and 12th. 160 merits in standard 10th, 228 merits in standard 12th. Indoor and outdoor facilities across 1.5 acres playground. Specialized coaching from experts. Experienced and well-qualified teachers. Digital and smart rooms. Curricular and extracurricular activities. Well-equipped IT, science, computer, math like 22 labs. Personality development program for students with art and fine art studio. Doctors on-call facility. Safe and secure transportation across the city. For admission, contact St. Paul CBSE and Senior Secondary School, Hudkeshwar Road, Nagpur.